Hi everyone. My name is Evan Kelly. I live in Schenectady, New York. Um, I'm currently a student at SUNY Oneonta, studying both geology and geography. I'm taking this course over the summer because I just added the geography major, and in order to graduate on time, which is spring of 19, I needed to take a couple extra classes in order to meet that date. So I'm in not only this class, but I'm in another class with Dr. Lascelles as well. So what made me choose this course? I've always been interested in sort of how a city's run and how it's planned out, but I've never actually gotten the opportunity to study it a little bit. So I use this class as that opportunity. What else am I up to this summer? I have an internship at DEC in Albany, studying abandoned mines and mapping them. I also go to Saginaw Lake. I have a camp up there. We go there most weekends. By we, I mean me, my girlfriend, and my dog. We go up there. We have a boat. We have a kayak, stuff like that. Um, yeah, so like I said, hobbies. I like kayaking. I like to hike, swimming, play a lot of golf, stuff like that. I have taken online courses before, not just the two I'm in now. And my biggest word of advice is definitely stay on top of stuff. Keep on track with the assignments because it's really hard once you fall behind, even by a day or two, to catch back up because it's a full semester's worth of work in a little over a month. So, yeah, definitely stay on track. Um, yeah, I think the only last thing is what my favorite place would be, and that would be Athens, Greece. Um, just a vibrant city, a lot of history, a lot of culture. It's a little bit different way of life than and here in the States, even though it is a major city, there are still, I shouldn't say there are, so there are, there's more, I don't know, it just feels more personal. You go there and everyone you meet, even if you're at like a Chipotle or something, they, introduce themselves and talk to you a little bit and where you're from and what you're doing and stuff like that. So, I don't know, it was fun. I went there in 2012, so, and I think I'm looking down the list. I think that covers everything. So yeah, I mean, looking forward to the course. Wendy is fun. I met her last semester, and she's easily accessible, so definitely use her as a resource. Um, but yeah, I'm looking forward to the course.